wash, wash. Let's begin, getting ready to pray again. Nice and clean, fresh and bright. Wudu makes my heart feel light. Wash your hands, 1, 2, 3, right then left so carefully. Rub them well, front and back, clean and pure, just like that. Rinse your mouth, 1, 2, 3, swish, swish, nice and clean. Sniff some water up your nose, blow it out, there it goes. Blow it out, there it goes. Blow it out, there it goes. Splash your face, 1, 2, 3, make it shine so happily. Right arm first, then the left. Wash 3 times, feel so fresh. Wipe your head just 1 time, front to back, feeling fine. Ears inside, outside too. Now there's just one thing to do. Wash your feet, 1, 2, 3, right foot first, then left you see. Between your toes, around your heel. Now